How to change A's on Among Us. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your A's in Among Us so you can access features like chat, friend request and more. If you accidentally set the wrong birth date, don't worry, I've got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open Among Us on your device, and if your age is set to under 13 or below the required age in your region, you won't have access to features like free chat or linking accounts. Instead, you will be only able to use quick chat mode. So now to change your age, you will need to reset the game saved data, and here is how you can do it. Simply exit the game, and once you are on your main home screen, simply long press on the app icon and simply tap on the app info. And once you are inside the app settings, simply tap on the option labeled clear data, which is shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the pop-up menu that appears, simply tap on clear all data and confirm it by tapping OK. And once you have cleared the data of the game, you can simply open Among Us again. Since we cleared the saved data, now the game will ask for your date of birth again. Now, this time, enter the correct age 13 plus or as required in your region so you can access all features. And after setting your new age, you can simply go to the settings and enable free chat, and now you can chat with friends, create an account and enjoy the full Among Us experience. And that's how you can change your age in Among Us. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.